You must have seen a module like this being used in various electronics projects. It's called a boost converter and it's used to step up a low voltage to a higher voltage. Let's see how it works and how to make one ourselves. This is the boost converter we will be building today. Let me show you how it works using a schematic. First, we have a battery or a power supply connected to an inductor in series. The inductor is connected to the collector of an NPN transistor. The emitter of the transistor is then connected to ground. When the transistor is on, current flows through the inductor and some energy is stored in a magnetic field. When the transistor is turned off, the inductor does not like the change in current and so it induces a voltage to continue it. This is like placing two power sources in series. The higher voltage charges the capacitor and thus provides a high voltage to the load. In this case, the base of the transistor is connected to an Arduino that provides a PWM power supply. This PWM signal determines the output voltage. It can be calculated using the following formula. Vout is equal to Vin upon 1 minus D, where D is the PWM signal. Now that the circuit is ready, let me give you a quick walkthrough of the code. We are using the pwm.h library to be able to use a frequency of 27,000 Hz on the Arduino PWM. The LED blinks thrice and then the value on the potentiometer is red. It is then mapped to the PWM duty cycle on pin 9, which is connected to the transistor. As you can see, I can use the potentiometer to control the voltage measured across the 4.7K resistor. You can find the code I used on my GitHub linked in my description. That's it for today. Hope you have a great day and bye-bye.